Join our hands and start chanting of Omkar thrice. Sign up to one and all present over here. एंड मैं ऑलरेडी आपको लिस्ट भेज चुका हूँ और ये बच्चे तुरंत अपना प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट कर दें एंड नंबर वन अभिषेक यादव। आज लास्ट डेट है, अगर आप नहीं रहते हैं तो यू विल गेट 0 मार्क्स। ठीक है सौम्या, होता है ऐसा। अभिषेक यादव, अभिषेक अभी है नहीं और होता तो गायब हो जाता है। अनिल लोधा ऑलरेडी absent, भारती ओझा नेवर प्रेजेंट, पलक माल एम, पलक, पंक्ति is also not there, प्रशांत is there, प्रशांत, प्रशांत, रामपारा सर, रोशनी, संजीव, सार्थक, विशाखा। प्रशांत केवट, रामपारा सर। हाँ
यस सर।
राम बेटा स्टार्ट करो।
यस सर।
ओके।
Sairam sir.
साईराम पंक्ति, नेक्स्ट इज योर टर्न पंक्ति।
Okay sir.
लोकेश सोनी, आपका नाम लिख नहीं पाया था, आप भी हैं इसमें कि दे चुके हैं आप? दे चुका है लोकेश, दे चुके हैं।
यस
हाँ कुछ नहीं, हो गया। राम क्या हुआ बेटा? श्री राम क्या हुआ?
सर मैं प्रेजेंट नाउ पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ पर वो हो ही नहीं रहा, उसमें कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा।
प्रेजेंट नाउ का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा?
यस सर।
आ तो रहा है बेटा।
सर मेरे में नहीं आ रहा ना।
एक काम करो, आप अपना प्रेजेंटेशन पीपीटी है ना बेटा आपका?
यस सर।
आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दो, मैं यहाँ से ओपन कर दूंगा। ठीक है?
यस सर।
अब पंक्ति यू कैन स्टार्ट।
Okay sir. Sir, is the screen visible?
1 minute। Yes, it is visible.
Nutrition in plants made by Pankti Jain. Autotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substance, is called autotrophic. You can see the picture. Insectivorous. The insect is digested by the digestive juices secreted in the picture. Such insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants. Photosynthesis. The synthesis of food occur in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Light, oxygen, dioxide, carbohydrates and waters Chlorophyll. The leaves have green pigment called chlorophyll. You can see the picture. Nutrient. Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals are called nutrients. Saprotrophs. Plants which use saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. Host. The plants on which it climbs is called a host. You can see the picture. Parasite. The dispersive or the host of valuable nutrients. It is called a parasite. Stomata. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves are called stomata. Nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.
Stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for watching. Okay, thank you very much, Pankti Di. And I would like to ask you one question. Uh,
Yes, sir.
can you? My voice is not clear, प्रशांत के बट को ऐसा हो
Clear,
रहा है.
clear.
Sir, it's clear.
It's clear. My voice is always clear. It's very good voice I have, so no problem. And Mega also give me a certificate about my voice. So, what is the difference between parasite and saprotrophs?
Parasites are which who eat sorry sir, who climb on leaves and take food, and saprotrophs are which stay in leaf and what do you say sir, nutrients which stay in leaf and take nutrients.
Okay. And is a non-green plants also perform process of photosynthesis?
Non-green plants, sir, I think yes. Sir, is my answer correct?
Now you said only I think this. What you think? I don't know.
Yes.
Non-green plants perform photosynthesis, yes or no?
Sir, my answer is yes.
Okay, your answer is yes. Thank you. Next. Ram is there? Ram? राम चलो और कौन बचा है राम कुछ नहीं बोल रहे
सर
यस
सर आपने मेरा ओरल टेस्ट नहीं लिया था.
हाँ आपने मुझे अपनी स्लाइड भेज दी थी बेटा
सर स्लाइड मतलब सर भेजी नहीं थी क्योंकि सर वो उसमें लॉगिन का नहीं आ रहा था इसलिए. सर बाकी आपको स्लाइड दिखा दी. सर आपने बोला था नेक्स्ट क्लास में ओरल टेस्ट लेंगे.
नहीं आपने अपना पीपीटी मुझे भेज दिया था नहीं भेजा था
नहीं भेजा सर, वो सेंड नहीं हो रहा.
अच्छा आपका टॉपिक क्या था विंड स्टॉर्म एंड साइक्लोन
यस सर.
ओके व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ साइक्लोन
सर आई.
आई
सर आई.
आई ओके ओके व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन स्पीड ऑफ विंड इज वेरी हाई
सर सर व्हाट.
when the speed of wind is very high affect the how it affect the pressure air pressure
Sir, sir, when the speed is high of a cyclone, the the pressure is the pressure is सर आई डोंट।
ओके, हाँ नेक्स्ट। राम पारस सर कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं। पलक नेवर प्रेजेंट, मैं एब्सेंट डाल दिया हूं पलक का। अभिषेक यादव, अभिषेक यादव ग्रुप में बैठा हुआ है, नेवर रिस्पॉन्डिंग। अभिषेक बेटा एब्सेंट लग रही है। अनिल लोधा एब्सेंट, भारती एब्सेंट, पलक एब्सेंट, प्रशांत, प्रशांत, प्रशांत केवट एब्सेंट लगा रहा हूं बेटा। राम पारस सर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग। राम आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? नहीं आ रही। संजीव एब्सेंट, रोशनी जाटव, रोशनी एब्सेंट, संजीव सार्थक, सार्थक इज आल्सो नॉट प्रेजेंट। विशाखा एब्सेंट। ओके, तो राम होने के बाद भी अपनी आवाज नहीं सुना रहे हैं। आप सभी लोग ओपन करिए कैमरा एंड विल स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू।
सर
राम
वो
ने, हाँ बोलो बेटा।
वापस लग गया सर।
क्या बोल रहे हो राम?
सर वो पीसी पर हैंग हो रहा है, इसलिए सर मैं मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं आप
सर मैं
मोबाइल,
आपको पीपीटी व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगा।
हाँ मुझे पीपीटी व्हाट्सएप कर दो, मैं आपको पीपीटी शो करूंगा और आप प्रेजेंटेशन कर देना उसका।
यस सर।
हाँ करिए। और इसके देन आफ्टर आई विल स्टार्ट ओरल टेस्ट। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर रेडी? सौम्या इज रेडी। व्योम इज आल्सो रेडी। वेरी गुड। Ayan is ready. Very good, Ayan. Anumega, very good. So after Ram presentation, I will start oral test. और एक बात और सुनो बेटा कि बीच में भी मैं आपकी एक क्लास लूंगा और आई विल फिनिश द ओरल टेस्ट। ओके, क्योंकि हमारा सॉइल चैप्टर नहीं हुआ है तो सॉइल चैप्टर के पहले तक आप लोग श्री राम, हाँ मेरे पास राम बेटा आ गई है, आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन आ गया है, ये डाउनलोड होता है ना, विल इन्फॉर्म। ये हीट पर है ना बेटा? राम
यस सर।
ये
यस सर।
चैप्टर हीट है ना बेटा?
नो सर, वो हीट नहीं सर, फाइबर टू फैब्रिक है
ऊपर तो हीट
सर।
लिखा।
उस पर सर हीट लिख दिया था मैंने, पहले हीट पे बनाया था इसलिए।
अच्छा, पहले हीट पे बना रहे थे इसलिए हीट लिख दिया था। अच्छा चलिए ठीक है। सो shall I start it? अब ये देखो बच्चों का काम देवेश सर से करा रहा है राम। स्क्रीन इज विजिबल बेटा?
यस सर।
नाउ राम यू कैन स्टार्ट।
यस सर।
ओके।
चैप्टर 3, फाइबर टू फैब्रिक। Importance of clothes. Following are the importance of clothes. They protect from heat. They protect from cold. They make us look nice and decent. Fiber. A material which available in the form of thin and continuous thread is called fiber. There are two types of fiber: natural fiber and man-made fiber. Man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. Types of fibers. Natural fiber. The fiber which are obtained from plants and animals called natural fiber. Example: cotton, jute, silk, wool. Man-made fibers. The fibers that are synthesized in laboratory are called man-made fibers. Example: nylon, acrylic, terylene, terracotta or polyester, etc. Types of natural fiber. Plant fiber. The fiber which are obtained from plants are called plant fiber. Example: cotton, jute and flax. Animal fiber. The fiber which are obtained from animals are called animal fiber. Example: silk and wool. Animal fibers. The common animal fibers are wool and silk. Wool is obtained from sheep, goat, yak, camel, llama, alpaca, etc. Silk is obtained from silkworm. These are the picture of sheep, goat, yak, camel, llama, alpaca and silkworm. Wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep, goat, camel, yak, rabbit, llama, alpaca and other animals. These have a thick coat of hair on their body because hair traps air and air is core conductor of heat. So thick layer of hair keeps their body warm and protect them from harsh cold. For obtaining wool, animals are reared and then their hair is cut to proceed into wool. Fleece and wool bearing animals. Fleece and wool bearing animals like sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. Here two types of hair: coarse hair and fine salt under hair. Fine salt soft hair is found close to the skin in such animals. The fine under hair of animals like sheep, goat, etc. is called fleece. Animals having fine soft hair fleece on their bodies are called wool-bearing animals. Animal wool. Many breeds of animals are found in India. Sheep gives milk and meat in addition to wool, but are reared mainly to obtain wool in different parts of the world. Angora goat. Angora wool is obtained from Angora goat of Jammu Kashmir. with soft wool used for making shawls, undercoats are found in hilly regions such as Jammu Kashmir. Pashmina wool is obtained from Pashmina goat. Yak wool is commonly obtained in Tibet and Ladakh. Alpaca and llama found in South America also give wool. Processing of wool. The processing of changing fleece into wool involves 6 steps: shearing, storing, sorting, bird separation, dyeing, spinning. Processing of wool. The fleece of the sheep is removed from its body along with thin layer of dead skin by using machine. The process of removal of the fleece from animals is called shearing. The shed skin which is washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. The process of washing the sheared wool in hot water following by drying is called thawing. Processing of wool. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different texture are separated. The process of separation hair of different texture from the fleece is called sorting. Bird separation. The small fluffy called birds are separated from the hairs and again washed and dried. Dyeing. The natural hair of sheep is white, brown, black. The raw fibers are dyed in different colors. Spinning. The raw fibers are then straightened, formed and rolled into yarn. They are then spun and woven into fabric. Cutting of wool. These are the pictures of sheep scaring machine. Yarn, yarn types and its use. There are 2 types of yarn: long yarn, shorter yarn. The long yarn threads are usually knitted to make sweaters, mufflers, caps and socks. The shorter yarn threads and woven into fabric. Wool and yarn. Uses of wool. Wool is used for making warm clothes such as sweater, cap, shawl, gloves and blankets, etc. Wool is also used in making carpets and upholstery. Use silk. Silk is obtained from the cocoons of the silkworm. Silk moth. The silk moth lives on the leaves of mulberry plant. Types of silk. Tasa silk, monga silk, kosa silk, etc. are produced in different types of silk moth. Mulberry silk is most common silk moth. Sericulture. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Silk moth, male and female. Life cycle of silk moth. Mulberry tree. Proce- Processing of silk. Layering of silk. Dyeing, spinning and weaving. Dyeing the silk fiber are then dyed in different colors. Spinning and weaving. The silk fiber are then spun into threads and woven into different types of silk cloth, that is fiber. Spinning and weaving of silk. Uses of silk. Silk is a costly fabric. Silk fiber is used for weaving cloth, especially traditional dresses in India like sari, kurta, shawl and other wedding cloth. Silk has always been prized for its luster and fine quality. The countries which produce silk on large scale are China, first rank, and India. Plant fiber. The common plant fiber are cotton and jute. Cotton is obtained from the flower of cotton plant. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Cotton in India. Cotton is cultivated mainly in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Uses of cotton. Cotton is mostly used for making clothes of various kinds, towels, bed sheets, curtain sarees. Jute. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. It is cultivated in rainy region. Jute fiber is pale yellow in color and 2 to 3 meter long. Jute fiber is very strong. Jute fiber the silky texture. Jute is grown in alluvial soil, which is formed usually in the delta region of the Ganges and Gangas and Brahmaputra rivers. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Jute plants are about 2.5 to 3.5 meter in height. It bears yellow flowers in 3 to 4 months. Sai Ram, thanks for watching.
Okay, continuously a sound was coming, now it stops. Ram, I would like to ask one question. The animals having big fur, why such animals having big size fur on their body?
Sir, because the fur is protect from cold
From heat or
and
from cold?
the cold.
Okay. Okay, very good. You keep your mind mute because sound is coming continuously. Yes, Prashant. Prashant is there. अभिषेक यादव कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है. प्रशांत केवट left the meeting. प्रशांत केवट. ओके तो लगता अब आप लोग यू कैन ओपन योर कैमरा. Yes, Vyom is there. So I am going to start this oral test, and first I would like to tell you the parameters of oral test. It will help you to understand, it will help you to score marks. These are the parameters on which I will assess you. Okay. Your attentiveness. And this oral test is not for a day. I am observing you since March. Yes, in Zoom meeting, in WhatsApp, and then Google Meet continuously. We are working on Google Meet. So your attentiveness when you give your answer, logical reasoning, clarity of concept, and comprehension. These are the four parameters on which I will assess. Okay? So, Anubhega is ready? Yes, Anu? Vyom is ready? And Soumya, are you ready, beta? Or you need time? Openly give me. If you are not interested today, I will arrange next day.
Sir, can I be the second person?
Can I?
Sir, I don't want to attend the test first.
Okay. So who want to attend first? Okay, no problem. So we will start this test in next class. ओके सो अभी जो बच्चे रह गए हैं अब मैं इनका नाम नहीं लूंगा अभिषेक यादव इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग और अनिल भारती पलक संजीव वैशाली विशाखा ये भी नहीं आते ना बेटा अनवेगा वैशाली एंड विशाखा सो
No, sir.
never they attend the class. Sanjeev sometime he attended the class. Palak sometime comes, appear and disappear quickly. So is it clear about the oral test? So when we have to conduct oral test? Tomorrow? Yes?
Sir, on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Yes. So Wednesday oral test I will arrange one class at 1:10. 1:30, sorry. Okay? And what is the syllabus? Agrima Didi? Yes? What is the syllabus?
Seventh and eighth.
Only two chapters.
If soil is completed.
Before soil, after half yearly test. Can you tell me the syllabus for half yearly?
Sir, first five chapters.
Yes. So I am just going to open the book. Nutrition in plants and animals, fiber to fabric, heat, acid, bases and salt. We completed up to acid, bases and salt in half yearly examination. So, 6th, 7th, 8th and ninth also. Part of this I will include in the chapter. इसका कुछ हिस्सा I will cover in the chapter soil. Okay? Very small part I will include in it and most of the section acid, physical, chemical change, weather and climate, wind stream. Acid तो पहले आ चुका है ना? Yes, 6th, 7th, 8th. Most of the part will be from 6th, 7th and 8th. Is it clear? Any question you would like to ask me? We'll see about the soil. We already started this chapter earlier, but after a long gap, the story of mud.
Hello friends, let me introduce myself. I am soil and I play an important role in all your lives. I am responsible for providing nutrition and water to the plants. I provide support to the trees and I am very important for agriculture. I have a lot of water and also small worms in it. These also help plants and crops grow. Only if I am of good quality, you all will eat good grapes, vegetables, fruits, nuts, etc. It takes thousands of years for me to form, and I have a long story. To share my story, I shall take you to a village in Jharkhand and introduce you to Babur and Babu. We will learn the various aspects of soil in this video.
Babu, Babu, come here. What do you want, brother? I wanted to help Baba in making these mugs out of mud.
This boy is
However,
making,
there
giving
are
shape
no
to
pebbles in this.
something with
Can
the
you
help
pick the
of mud.
pebbles from the mud? Brother, why don't you see this? I think that way pebbles will get separated easily.
And because of the pebbles, he was
That was good
unable to give
idea.
good proper
I
shape.
don't know why I didn't think of it. Get the sieve and please separate pebbles from the mud. I will just come. Whenever Baba gets mud, it is soft and nice. I wonder how pebbles came into it this time. Looks like the mud has come from a different place.
While children are preparing masks, can you enlist the things you find in soil?
Babu, these masks are complete.
He made
From
some mask with the help of
there
mud.
is no soft mud around. Go, ask father and come and get the soil. Come, let us go.
Babul and Babu, what brings you here?
Bhaiya, father has sent out to get clay. But why is the machine here?
This is a drill machine.
This is a drill machine.
What is it used for?
Our well has got dry and we are having water problems.
Just see, beta, during the month of summer, most of the wells get dried up. And same thing with the hand pump and other tube wells. So the message of this is that during the time of summer, the level of underground water, that is known as water table, it goes down.
So father is getting the ground drilled.
What will happen with this?
They will keep a hand pump so that we can use the water.
Oh, but I don't see any workers here.
They are sitting down. They drilled the ground a lot, but they found hard rock. And this is
And
not the
what they found at the end when they stopped the drilling? Hard rock.
further. They will get another machine to break the rock.
A big rock. I thought there is only soil in there. When I dig to plant at our house, I could not find any rock. Look at the heap of mud beside the hole.
Very intelligent observation. Can anyone tell me how soil is formed? I am sure you have learned about this in your previous classes.
That due to sun, rain, moisture, big rocks break into smaller pieces.
Yes, big rocks break into smaller pieces due to climate change, due to running water, due to wind, due to sun.
Form. It takes thousands of years for the soil to form. Brother, when we were sieving the mud, pebbles were found. Do you remember?
Yes, you are right. Soil is formed due to the breakage of big rocks into smaller ones, and then it slowly becomes soil. This happens due to the influence of sun, rain, wind, etc. And it is called weathering.
What is this called? Weathering. We already covered weathering.
Even on the outside of soil,
Oh, I see.
we'll explain about the soil profile. That is, how these layers are arranged.
Now, different layers of soil.
Brother, let us see what Parimal Bhaiya is saying.
I will get a bottle and a glass of water.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Look, I have got a transparent bottle, and in this I am putting a handful of mud, and I am adding a glass of water. Now observe. What do you see?
See the pebbles in the soil.
This is a very simple activity. Take water in a glass or bottle and put mud and see different layers of soil.
Are settling down. I can see the differentiation here too. There are small stones at the bottom and then there is sand.
Absolutely correct. Then you have silt and finally the soft mud. On top, can you see the organic matter?
That is
This is
humus.
called humus, which feeds the plants.
Is the soil profile under the earth like this?
Yes, your guess is right. There are distinct layers of soil in the earth. Topmost layer is called
This is topsoil.
topsoil. This has humus.
I know. Plants grow on this.
The next layer below is called middle layer. It has minerals.
Then are there rocks after this?
This layer has small rocks. And the last,
So there are four layers: topsoil, middle layer, small rocks, and bedrock. Very important is the topsoil. That is fertile part of the soil.
layer is bedrock.
Which layer of soil contains water?
The topmost layer contains water, sand, and gravel at the bottom help the water to get drained so that the roots do not get rot.
Yeah, as there is organic matter in humus and it helps soil, can we also add good things to the soil?
What do you plan to do?
And add dry leaves, fruit peels, vegetable peels, etc. I'm sure it will help soil.
Definitely.
Yes, you are correct. We should put only organic matter and not plastic and other artificial things in the soil. This will spoil.
Yeah, please give us the way. We shall take your leave.
Sure. Children, in this video, we learned about the various the soil profile.
So this was all about the soil profile weathering of rocks. So now time is over and again we'll meet on Wednesday, coming Wednesday, and there will be oral test I will send. So please be prepared up to this part of the soil also, weathering of soil and this. Can anybody tell me about the Abhishek Yadav boys? Abhishek Yadav is in contact of which boy? Nobody. Okay, leave it. Santi Path. Om Shanti. Saira बच्चों.
Sairam sir.
Sairam sir.
Saira.